Welcome back to the vlog. We're jumping right into it. Right here I'm unboxing some matcha latte. I just love this stuff. And some plant-based protein powder because your girl is lactose. I also got a few things for my kitchen. Honestly, I think this video it's like an unboxing overload. I think you're in for a treat because I have so much stuff to unbox for you today. I don't think I've ever unboxed this much stuff in one video for you guys, so this is a first. This is just some labels for my dispenser bottles that I got from my kitchen to put like my oils and stuff like that. So these are, I believe, the 12-ounce dispenser bottles, and they came with a funnel and also the labels. So you just need to look through and see what kind of oils or vinegar, whatever it is that you're going to use in these bottles, and the labels are there. So you just need to peel them off and stick on the bottles. And you do want to give these a quick little rinse before you place any products inside. And up next we have this nice little butter dish to store my butter. These come in black and white, but I just love the black one and it goes perfect with my black and white decor. I really love this, and the fact that it came with a little knife on the top and it has its own little storage space. So cute. Good morning. Now I'm gonna make some matcha latte. So here I have the usual almond milk and my matcha powder. I'm just gonna add, well, actually I didn't end up using the almond milk because it went bad, so I had to throw that out. I end up using water and regular cow's milk and some honey. I know it don't look as appealing without a frother, so I end up ordering one of those. After having my latte, I end up organizing underneath this cabinet, and I really just have my wig heads, my beauty tools, hair tools, like my flat iron, hot comb, blow dryer, and any extra hair care or skincare products that I may have. I don't know if you guys remember the fish tank that I had previously, and I told you I was gonna do a makeover with it. This is actually the bottom portion of the fish tank, and this is what we did for the makeover. It took us a few days to complete, but we finally got it done. We didn't end up filming this because it wasn't really turning out the way we had hoped, but I kind of really like the way it looks now. Next day, and more packages. I saw Chef B talk about this in her vlog, and I thought I'd give it a try. It's the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment and the Hair Protector. I decided to get these because my hair has been going through it lately. And I also got the mane and tail jumbo size shampoo and conditioner, which have worked very well for me back in the day, so I'm going back to that. And I got some new makeup brushes. Yay! These are the Fit On 3-piece foundation and concealer brush. So brush 170 is the angled flat foundation brush, perfect for buffing and blending out your foundation. Then we have brush 270 and 370, which are your angled flat concealer brushes, perfect for camouflaging under eye darkness and conceals discoloration, spots and blemishes for a perfect makeup application. This is not sponsored, guys, and it also came with these two mini makeup sponges. Anyways, before I start doing anything, I have a little unboxing I want to do. I need one of the products in here to use, so yeah. These are just some Re-Up and some meringue or moringa. You guys might know it as meringue tea bags that I already use, and this is a different brand than I would normally use, but I figured I'll give them a try. It's 100% natural. 30 tea bags in here. The one that I normally get would have like 100 tea bags in here, but for some reason they were sold out, so I decided to get this one to try. And I got some peppermint tea. Got like 2 of these. And then I got this is what I want to use right now, so I got some Shine and Jam. Here. A new tub of Shine and Jam. I love this so much. I normally use this to sweep down my edges, and sometimes when I'm braiding my hair, I'll use it at the root as well, like when I'm wearing extension braids. And I got some Tresemme Keratin Smooth conditioner to use. This I mainly got to use on my wigs. It's the first time I'm gonna use it, so I can't really tell you guys too much about it. It smells good. It's not that strong scent. It's like the scent is there, but it's not overpowering. Yeah, smell good. Nice fresh scent. And it's a conditioner that I got to use in my curly hair wigs. Yeah. So that's that. Small little unboxing for you guys. I'm just taking out all the tools that I think I might need. I have four. And I keep using that iron. Okay. Alright, let's go. So how you guys doing today? I have a couple little things I actually want to talk to you guys about. Actually, I'm going to put that in another, my little chat in a separate video by itself, because after I was done chatting, it was too long to be added to this video. So I'm just gonna make it into a video by itself. So let's get into my little mini loungewear clothing haul. First up, we have this top and bottom. It's like a tank top. It came in a pack of two. There's a pink and a gray color one. But the gray, it's exactly the same style, but just in gray. And it came in a pack of two. And then I have these leggings that I got in a pack of four. Came in a pack of four, and it's just straight black. So it's four black leggings. And as you can see, they're high-waisted. You can see the legs. Alright, so these are like some different style of tank tops. I would say it's more like a wife beater kind of thing. As you can see, it's very long on me. I believe this is like a size medium. I feel like I would wear this maybe in the house with some woolly shorts or something. But yeah, it's very long, so I just wear it off like this. Fold it, I guess. And maybe even like tie it in the back or something. Like that. And maybe even put that little slit here in the front. But yeah, these are like the pink for the black leggings that I had on earlier. It's totally the same style. These are actually in large, and they're a little bit too loose on me, so I think I could have gone with a medium. Okay, and these are just some regular tank tops. Like I said, I just got these to wear around the house. And I got this tank top came in the white, blue, black, and gray. So it's four of them. I like that it's high-waisted. The material feels very nice and comfortable. So this is outfit number 2. Alright, this is another one. Same style but different color. So this is in navy blue. I'm just showing you them because it's literally just loungewear clothes I got to wear in the house. I like this color. And it's high-waisted too. Like I said, they're in large. So I feel like I could have got them like a size smaller, like medium. Alright. This is the gray. The materials are nice. I really like them. It's just that I feel like I got them too big. They're too big for me. But at the same time, I didn't want them to be too tight because I'm wearing them in the house and I want to be comfortable at the same time. But not to the point where they feel like so baggy. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I could have gone a size down. I might end up giving these away. Show you guys the black one for this. This is the turquoise. I really like the color, so I decided to show you guys this one as well. So this one, like I said, came in a pack of 3 with white, black, and the turquoise. I already showed you guys the black one. I really love the sleeves. Like you can put your finger through it, or you can wear it straight like that if you want. Like that. But I really like the idea of pulling through your tongue like this. Give your hands a little bit of warmth. But it's so much, well, coming to summer now. It's going into summer now. So when I had ordered these, I was really thinking, well, you can wear these anytime because the material is very light. It's not like a sweater kind of material. It's very light and it feels cool. So you should be able to wear it anytime. But I would say mostly winter stuff. Up next, I'm wearing the black version to the top that I was wearing previously. I really don't remember the exact name of this top, but I'll link it in my description. And these leggings are the Smile Contour Booty leggings. And these, I believe, are in a size medium, which fits so much better than the other one. I really love the look and feel of these leggings, and they really pull you in at the waist.
I love this. I look nice with some white sneakers or black sneakers. This I would definitely wear to go like maybe grocery store or even to go to the gym or whatever. Yeah, I like this. Some are in the same style bottom, but this one is in blue. Yeah. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty because there ain't nobody love you.
Alright, so up next we have this nice casual wear t-shirt, and it says, "Nope, not today." I really love this. This is something I'll probably wear around the house or maybe for a quick grocery run. Or if it's a day where I'm just feeling chilled and laid back and I don't really feel like dressing up too much. I think this looks so good with the black leggings, and it could go well with a pair of jeans. I really love this. It looks very sharp without trying too hard.
And last but not least, we have Faith. I'm gonna end with Faith. It's almost the same like the other black shirt, but different. Frightened. Same thing. And that's it. Yeah, nice little casual lounge wear. Yeah, these I would definitely wear these out. Like with the leggings and sneakers, some white sneakers. Still no, I'm not feeling like 100%. Like I still feel a little bit, like my energy isn't back yet. So guys, I got these not headphones, these microphones. I got these microphones on Amazon, and they're basically wireless microphones, and you get two. It's basically two microphones. I'll do the unboxing for you, so see here. You get two. Comes with a booklet and stuff, and so you can work with your phone and your camera, phone camera and laptop. Yeah, can work with. So they're a little bit pricey. They're like $100 and something, but honestly, I feel they're totally worth it. I feel I would probably have to give it a try one of them there because I can't better hook it up to the camera and stuff right now. But yeah, exciting. Yeah. Like I said, I invest in my equipment. So yeah, because honestly, I've done a couple videos so far where I wasn't too pleased with how the background noise was sounding, and I know there are ways to remove the sound and stuff from your videos and stuff like that too, but I just figured I should really be investing in a microphone. So sometimes I may be doing videos with my boo or whatever, and so I decided to get this one because it came with two, so you get two microphones in there, and so yeah, two microphone and the part that goes in. I think this part goes in the phone and the computer and stuff. But yep, yeah, two. So I really like them, and the fact that it's magnetic. You see that? There. The case is magnetic, and the case also charged them as well. See? They like come on a while ago. And you get the chargers are in here. So you get a charger, and let me see what this. I think these are the cover for the, yeah. Oh, this is so cute. The microphone cover thingy. You get two of them to put on top of the thing here. So cute for real nice. So that's that. And once I try it out, I'll just let you guys see. I don't have my phone. I'm using my camera right now, and it's way set up right now. I really don't want to be messing with it, but I should try it out for you guys, so that you guys. Yes, I'll try it out when I'm making the video. Editing, I'll let you guys hear the difference and so on and so forth. But yeah, yes, I'm liking that. It's so cute. The case and everything, keep it in there. Although the it actually have the charging case, but I still have it in this. So
So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.